Hello, welcome to the video. Today we're going to be pulling out a lot of light fixtures at a remodel here just outside of Aspen. My name is Chris Luget with Aspen Home Improvement. So the first step is always shutting off, finding the breaker, shutting things down. We've got dryer, smokes, living room, everything but the boiler. It'll get dark in here. This is the light fixture, one of them that will be taken down. I've turned the power back on so you can see what I'm doing, but before we get to the electrical work, we'll shut that back down. So, power's off. One thing I always do is just check. This is just a Klein, high voltage tester. A little extra safety just before I go poking around in there. A lot of guys won't do that, and that's fine. I like going home at the end of the night without getting electrocuted. Ground screw. I always go hot first. Hot, and these lights are black wire. And then recap it. You see that there? Neutral, most commonly white. Not always. And ground. And there you go. Alright, so it may be hard to tell, but we're here in a bathroom. Same steps as before. We've already checked the power, make sure it's off, and we can check it again. Light switch is on, light switch is off. I got no power, but before we get up there, we'll test it again. What you want to do on these sconces, the first thing is remove any fragile parts that might fall. Usually they have a little set screw here somewhere. Or not. Looks like the diffusers are screwed in. There's two screws right under here, so we'll just go ahead and take it off. We got a thumb screw right here. That actually holds the sconce on. Another one on the bottom. And there we go. So if we wanted to be safe. And we've got nothing. We're clear to proceed. Okay, I'm gonna start with some hot. Get that out of here. All right, another sconce. This is what I was talking about earlier, to remove any fragile pieces that you don't want broken. So we have a couple set screws right here, and then the glass piece just pops off. So take that off. There's two screws right here. Make sure you support the weight. Test. sconce. Same drill as before. We check. These don't have any set screws, which means they're most likely screwed in. So, carefully, we have 2 thumb screws right here and here. We want to make sure to support the weight so it doesn't fall. Power's off. Start with hot. Neutral. And green or ground. A lot of times it won't even be green. It's that easy, guys. Anybody can do this. Here's another type of light fixture that you might have to work on or remove. You can see there's nothing on the outside of this half dome here. But if you look down in here, you can find a set screw. I'm going to show you guys that. You can see it right here. So, once you do that, this whole fixture will come right off the wall. Okay, here we are. All the lights are packed up. We're going to take them down to the